Hello, my dear friends. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to our channel, Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to crop a video using CapCut. Now, let's get into the video. First of all, you have to open your CapCut app. Select a new project. Select Have Video and then click on the Add option. Now you can see the video is added. Now, what you have to do is simply select the video and drag from the front or from the back or from wherever you want to. You can simply drag and crop it. You can see the video is cropping. In one more way you can do that is, let's say you have to delete a clip from the middle. So what you have to do is just split it from the point you want to delete it and then split it there you want to end it. Now you can simply delete the middle portion. Click on the delete button. See, it's done. Now you can export it from the arrow sign. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like in this video, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.